Is your SOLDAPULLT suction weak? Here's a quick way to check and restore performance. When tested, a fast drop in pressure means you're losing seal. Same with the thumb test. A fast return means there's an air leak. Let's fix this. Open the barrel and clean it out with the cleaning brush tool. Remove the O-ring using a tool such as a mender probe. Using a mender brush, clean away any debris before reinstalling the O-ring. Make sure it sits on the second groove, not the first. Apply a generous amount of O-ring lube to restore the seal. Reassemble everything and test again. A slower pressure drop and a stronger seal means better performance.